Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the programming languages. So programming language is specifically designed to express the calculations that can be performed by using our computer. So to perform computations by using the system, so these languages are used. So generally in our life, languages are used to express our expressions or feelings to other persons. So in the same manner here the programming languages are used to write the programs in a computers to solve a particular problem or so to perform computations. So next, programming languages are used to create programs that controls the behavior of the system to express the algorithms or as a mode of human communication. So next, programming languages are having a vocabulary, syntaxes, semantics and instructions that is instructing to the computer to perform specific task. So programming languages are examples for high level languages are basic C, C++, Java, etc. So these programming languages are having a unique keyword and special syntaxes to organize the program's instructions or to write the program instructions. So programs that are written in any programming languages that must be converted into machine level language, that is machine code, zeros and ones form. So next here for converting into machine level language used a compiler or interpreter. So this is introduction regarding programming language. Totally programming languages are nothing but languages which are used to express the calculations that can be performed by the system, and it is used to create the programs and to define the control behavior of the system to express the algorithms or as a mode of human communication. And the programming languages are having vocabulary, syntax and semantics to write the programs generally to perform a specific task by the system. Programming languages are refers to the high level languages such as basic C, C++, COBOL, etc. So these languages are having a unique keyword, special syntaxes, and these are used for organizing the program instructions. So next, the programs which are written in any programming languages need to be converted into machine level code, that is zeros and ones form. So because the computer only understands zeros and ones language, that is binary level language or machine level language. So to convert into machine level language, the converters are needed. So those are called as a compilers and interpreters. So next we'll discuss about the types of programming languages or generations of programming languages. So first of all, first generation programming languages. So its period is 1950. So in first generation period, the programming language is also called as a machine level language or low level language or binary level language. So in this language, all the instructions are written in zeros and ones form. So this is called binary level language. And the advantage of machine level language is where it executes very fast and quickly, and it works very efficiently because these instructions are directly executed by the CPU, that is computer, because there is no need to convert into machine level language because already it is in machine understandable form, that is zeros and ones form. So the drawbacks of this machine level language is it is very difficult to write the program because it is very difficult to understand the programs which are written in zeros and ones form. So that is not in human understandable form. So next we will discuss about the second generation languages. So in second generation language, the programs are written by using special symbols called as mnemonics. So these are very easier to remember because here for example I have written some small examples like store, sub, add, div, move. So here store is nothing but used to store the data into the register, sub is used to subtract the data, and add is used for adding the numbers, div used for division operation, move is used to move the data. So here this assembly level language execution, one converter is required, so that is called assembler because the computer only understand the machine understandable code. So here the programs are written by using special symbols called as assembly level language. So for that, for converting assembly level language into machine level language, so one converter is needed. That converter is called as a assembler. So here assembler will convert the assembly level language code into machine level language and machine level language to reverse. So next, the drawback of assembly level language is does not support the portability. Portability means it will not work on different machines. For example, if you develop one assembly level language program for one computer, that will not be working on another computer. So this is the main drawback of a second generation language. So next, coming into third generation language. So its duration, the period is 1960 to 1970. So that is high level language. It is also called as a high level language. So here these language syntaxes are similar to the human language. So this high level language need to be converted into machine level language by using compiler or interpreter. So here compiler converts the high level language into machine level language and machine level language to high level language, entire page at a time. But here if you are taking interpreter, so interpreter converts line by line from high level language to machine level language. So it is a little bit slow compared with the compiler. So next, these languages are used to write the structured programming. So examples for high level languages are basic, C, Pascal, C++, Java, COBOL. So all these languages are example for high level language. So next we will discuss about the fourth generation languages. So one more important point in third generation language. So in third generation language, for writing the program we are using text editor. So that is the main concept here, and the syntaxes are similar to the sentences in human like language, that is human like English language. So next, fourth generation language. So its period is 1970 to 80. So it is a very high level language. So it is easier than third generation language and fourth generation language. So here the programmers are uses text environment as well as IDE environment, that is visual environment to write the programs. So in text environment, the programmers are typing the programming instructions. These instructions are generally similar to the sentences in English language. So next, in visual environment or IDE environment, the programmers are developing the programs so with the help of the toolbars. So first they are designing the screens. Behind the screen they are writing the programs related to that screen. So examples for fourth generation languages are .NET, Authoring Tools and Sun Studio. So next we will discuss about the fifth generation programming language. So these fifth generation programming languages are widely used in artificial intelligence research technology. So in fifth generation programming language, so here problems are solved by using constraints so given to the program rather than using algorithms written by the programmer. So here constraints are used to solve the problem. So example for fifth generation programming languages are Prolog, Lisp, OPS5. So next, worldwide web development languages. So these languages are used to develop or create the web pages. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So it is used to write the static web pages, to develop the static web pages. DHTML stands for dynamic hypertext markup language. It is used to write the dynamic web pages. XSL stands for extensible style sheet language. So it is also used to create the web pages. XHTML MP, so it is used to develop the web pages which are displayed on the mobile phones. So ASP, JSP are server side scripting languages. So other than this, remaining languages also is there. PHP, Perl language. So PHP stands for hypertext preprocessor. Perl stands for practical abstraction report language. So remaining language, other than this, remaining language is also available to develop the web pages. Okay, thank you. This is regarding languages, programming languages in computers to write the programs. So anyhow, any other language can be used to solve the problem by using the system. Okay, thank you.